Welcome to the today's session on validity in research. In this session, we'll talk about what do you understand by validity. So what is validity is all about? Validity refers to the extent to which a research instrument measures what it is supposed to measure. There are several types of validity and each of which assess a different aspect of a research instrument's validity. Now let us talk about the various types of validity one by one. The first category is called face validity. Face validity refers to whether the instrument appears to measure what it is supposed to measure. Moreover, it assesses whether the instrument looks valid to the respondent or not. Example can be a survey asking about exercise habits may include questions about frequency and duration of workout, which appears to measure exercise habit. The second type of validity is content validity, and it refers to whether the instrument measures the entire range of a concept or characteristics it is supposed to measure, and it is used to assess whether the instrument covers all the relevant aspects of the concepts being measured. Example can be a survey about job satisfaction may include questions about pay, benefits, work environment, and opportunities for advancement, which covers the entire range of concepts related to job satisfaction. Third category is called criterion validity. It refers to whether the instrument is related to a criterion or outcome that is known to be valid. It assesses whether the instrument is correlated with a known standard or outcome. Example can be a personality test is correlated with job performance, which is a known criterion for personality. The fourth one is called construct validity, and it refers to whether the instrument measures the underlying theoretical constructs or concept it is supposed to measure, and it assesses whether the instrument is related to other measures of the same construct. Example can be a self-esteem scale is correlated with other measures of self-esteem such as self-report measures and behavioral observations. The fifth type is convergent validity. It refers to whether the instrument is correlated with other measures of the same construct. It is used to assess whether the instrument is related to other measures that are supposed to measure the same thing. Example can be a depression scale is correlated with other depression scale and clinical diagnosis. The sixth one is discriminant validity, and it refers to whether the instrument is not correlated with measures of unrelated constructs, and it is used to assess whether the instrument is distinct from other measures that are supposed to measure different things. Example can be a depression scale is not correlated with measures of anxiety or personality traits. And the seventh one is called predictive validity, and it refers to whether the instrument can predict a future outcome or behavior, and it is used to assess whether the instrument is related to a known outcome or criterion. Example can be a college entrance exam is correlated with future academic performance. And the eighth category is called concurrent validity, and it refers to whether the instrument is correlated with a criterion or outcome that is measured at the same time, and it is used to assess whether the instrument is related to a known standard or outcome measured simultaneously. Example can be a job performance rating is correlated with a 360 degrees feedback assessment conducted at the same time. So, by assessing these different types of validity, the researcher can increase confidence in the accuracy and reliability of their research instruments and ensure that they are measuring what they intend to measure. I hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for listening.